morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly higher on Friday in choppy trade, with investors largely shrugging off political uncertainty in the UK. An exit poll indicated that British Prime Minister Theresa May's Conservative Party might have lost its parliamentary majority. Japan's Nikkei 225 rose 0.5%. Australia's benchmark S&P ASX 200 index added 0.1%. South Korea's Kospi advanced 0.8%. The Hang Seng index lost 0.2%, while the Shanghai Composite was marginally lower. Overnight, US stocks closed modestly higher, as investors mulled over former FBI Director James Comey's testimony, which overshadowed data showing that initial jobless claims fell less than expected. Sterling slumped in volatile trade in Asia on Friday on the likelihood of a hung parliament in the UK, leaving no single party with a clear claim to power. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a trade-weighted basket of 6 major currencies, rose 0.30% to 97.24. US dollar Japanese yen rose 0.26% to 110.18, while Australian dollar US dollar fell 0.20% to 0.7534. The euro fell as the European Central Bank hinted at further interest rate cuts. The single currency is 0.04% to 1.1206 US dollars. Sterling was down more than 1.5% at 1.2717 US dollars after sliding to as low as 1.2693 US dollars, down about 2% at the weakest since April 18th. It will be a quiet day in terms of economic data releases. However, yesterday was supposed to be a Super Thursday of 3 potentially big events: the European Central Bank's policy meeting, FBI ex-director James Comey's testimony, and the UK parliamentary elections. Today's market action will be about digesting yesterday's events. The European Central Bank's policy meeting didn't adjust anything but removed from the policy statement that had for a long time hinted that the interest rate could be lowered further. In the US, the ex-director of FBI James Comey testified in front of the US Senate, but there was very little that the testimony added to what everyone already knows. In the UK, Theresa May's position within the Conservative Party considerably weakened. The most probable outcome is that CP will form a government together with some of the smaller parties or decide to rule without a majority. It was the latest market news read by Aiko F. Eats. Goodbye.